If you ever had trouble moving your stock at an adjustable AR stock, this Hasty stock is the thing for you. Check this out, it's right there on your thumb. A little back pressure on your shoulder. You can adjust this as you move, always keeping your eye on the sight. Whether it's body armor, whether you're doing a CQB thing, you're working in the house or whatever, you're pressing this button forward and that adjusts your stock. You can change the scope picture, the sight picture, the eye relief, whatever you need, just that fast without ever coming off the gun. We got this. Press in, press out. It's just that easy. Made in America right here in Montana. And yeah, here it is. Spring pressure. That's how it works. Tell me in the comments, would you like something like this?